Hi guys! Happy weekend! Happy weekend to all of you guys! Happy weekend na naman! And it's time for the family. Nandito muna tayo guys sa Shangri-La Plaza. Ito yung Shangri-La Plaza. Mag-turn around lang tayo sandali guys dahil sandali lang naman si boss. Meron na siyang bibilhin na pagkain. So, hindi na kailangan pumarada dahil bibili lang ng food. Happy Saturday to all of you guys. And thank you for watching. Happy weekend here in Shang Central. Alright guys, thank you. Ikot lang tayo kasi hindi pwede mag-standby. Bawal mag-standby. Kailangan ikot-ikot lang. Hindi pwede. Ayaw pumayag ni Kuya Guard. Shout out sa mga Kuya Guard. Alright, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.